Chengdu Yiwei New Energy Innovation Center. Located in Pixian Industrial Park, Chengdu. Covering an area of about 5,200 square meters. It integrates Yiwei New Energy Special EV Delivery Experience Zone, Power System Manufacturing Base, and After Sales Service Center. In the interactive experience area, consumers can feel up close the charm of New Energy special vehicles and learn about the product's performance, features, and advantages. The manufacturing base with advanced equipment and techniques. All core parts of New Energy special vehicles meet high-quality standards. The After Sales Service Center provides comprehensive maintenance services. Our R&D team boasts 18 years of experience in developing and applying New Energy special vehicles. In the future, we will continue to delve into the special vehicle field and jointly promote the transformation and upgrading and green and sustainable development.